Good morning, happy Monday everyone. Good morning, happy Monday everyone. The sun is so bright and very hot. There. Sunlight for a while before I continue what I'm doing. Uh, Peter sick again. This kid is always getting sick. The immune system is very weak. I just have how many minutes because the sun is so hot already. Only 5 to 10 minutes. Not good to stay in the sunlight for long. You're gonna have skin rashes or skin cancer for the heat, for the hot temperature. Kaya heat stroke. I need only how many minutes here outside. To have natural vitamin D to help boost immune system. Good for the muscle and for the bone. My hair is hard to comb. Need to check once in a while for Ether because she was sick. She has fever again. Bye guys, happy Monday, first day off, office in school. But here, most all of school don't have class because it's already Eid holiday. But Ether still has class, but she cannot go to school because she was sick again. Bye.